click, place your cursor here. Okay, you see the preview? Okay, I have here some instruction down. Okay, tab you to select this wall at once. So the first step is hover your mouse just like what we are doing. One of the wall, press tab. Okay, still under here. So click somewhere empty for you to exit from here. Click somewhere empty first. Click somewhere empty. Okay. Now, place your cursor here again. You see a preview now. Press the tab. Press the tab key and left click. Were you able to do it? No. Again, I'll just undo it. You did it, sir? Yes. This is very important. You're going to use it a lot. Okay. So just can you just okay. I think you can escape. Remember that you will use it a lot. It's not ever all. So for the next one here. Okay. So can you do it? I think this is simple, no? Stay. Yes. What's the problem? It's okay. It's supposed to be some mistake here now because the measurement is taken from the inside plate. Yeah, that's it. We're going to learn how to place a dimension first, and then we're going to proceed. Okay. And I think let's move on to this next tool. We're not going to discuss so much things now. This is enough for today, but let's just discuss the mirror at least, no? Okay, mirror. Mirror by picking an axis because there are two types of mirror, no? Mirror draw axis and mirror pick axis. Let's use this pickaxes. Okay. So in this example, how many elements are being mirrored? How many elements are being mirrored? There are three: the door, the wall, and the window. Okay. So I think I already told you this one. Press and hold control. You remember that? To add element to your selection. We have to apply this one, huh? So let's select all these three elements. One, press control. This one. And this one. So mirror pick axis MM. Mirror by picking an axis. And what will be the axis? The middle. Easy. Okay. How about this? By the way, no, let me just quickly tell you. You know the difference between when you click here, go from right to left, and right to left? I mean, left to right and right to left. Do you know the difference? I know. One for print? No, it's nothing to do with the print. Okay, so when you start from left to right, for you to able to select that element, it must be fully enclosed. You are using this one, but you don't know, maybe same card, AutoCAD, no? Yeah. See, I have a wall here. No? Wall. This is a wall, by the way. Now, if you start from left to right, I will not be able to select this one unless I'm going to make it full. But when I start from right to left, even the smallest part, I will be able to select it. Okay, so that's it. Now, it's up to you how you want to select these three cars. Okay, in my case, I'm going to use this one, and I press MM. You do the third exercise, and let's just end this session in that exercise number 3. Okay. Guys, you have to say this. Yes. Before anything else, go to file, save as. For this file to be able, always fresh, no? In case you want to redo the exercise, you will not be able to modify it. So save as, okay, save as. Save as, let's say, let's make a name. Maybe I can say modified. Huh? You get it? So it means that the fresh file is still fresh. If you need to do exercise, you can. Okay. So any question for now? So I'm going to continue this one. And I think we can also start, if I'm going to calculate this one, I think we can able to start also our model in our next meeting. So yeah, close this file. And let's end this one now.